Alright guys, welcome back. So my name is Anthony, and in today's video I'm going to be revealing to you three secret websites that will pay you $100 per article. Alright, $100 per article. So any article you write, as far as the article is more than 1,000 words, I'm telling you they are going to pay you $100 for each article you write. And the good thing is that even if you don't have any writing skills, you can as well use ChatGPT to generate the write-ups for this article, and you get paid instantly. So before I dive in case if you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Anthony, and I always like sharing tips on how to make money on the online space. So if that is what you are interested in, all you have to do is just to go to the comment section and type "Thank you, Anthony, for the videos you have uploading." And as well, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and also share this video and like the video as well, so that you can actually get notified anytime I post new videos just like what you're about to watch right now. So with that said guys, let's get started. So there are three websites I'm going to be revealing to you. Let me show you. The first one is called Freelance Mom. Alright, this is the first website, Freelance Mom. So Freelance Mom is going to pay you $75 to $100 per article you write. I know many of you may be confused about the Freelance Mom. You may be thinking that it is only for women. No. So whether you're a male or a female, you can use this website called Freelance Mom. Okay, so you get paid for writing articles for them. So let me scroll down a little bit so that you can see how much they pay. Let me scroll down so that you can see that for yourself. So see it over here. It said articles that are selected for publication will be paid between $75 to $100 via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account to be paid. So guys, make sure you have a PayPal account. All right, make sure you have a PayPal account. So that's where they're going to pay you. And another thing is that they also have bonuses. It says every month, if your articles is at the top of our most shared, you will be a winner of a special bonus of $450. That's for the bonus. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. This is Freelance Mom, so you can actually use this website. So in case if you want to sign up, all you have to do is just to click this sidebar right here and then click start here. So when you click start here, you get started immediately. Okay, so this is it, Freelance Mom. So let me dive into the second website. The second one is called Ali Starter Path. Okay, Ali Starter Path. So this is it. This is the website, Ali Starter Path. Okay, let me refresh it again so that you can see it for yourself. See, they said write for us. So that is it, Ali Start Path. So let me scroll down so that you can see how much they are paying. So let me scroll down a little bit. So Ali Start Path will actually pay you up to $200. Okay, per 600 to 2,500 words. So that's the reason why they are paying up to $200. Okay, if you publish an article between 600 to 2,500 words, you get paid $200. That's the amount they are paying. Okay, so you can also publish up to 1,500. You can also publish up to 1,000, but make sure your article is original. Okay, so even if you are using ChatGPT, try and rephrase the word, because this platform is very sensitive. All right, so that is it for Ali Starter Path. Okay, they pay $200 per article, but the thing is that I have to be honest, this platform is very strict. Okay, it is very strict. So you may publish an article and they may reject it. Yeah, they may reject your article. So the platform is very strict. Only few people have actually been paid on this platform because theirs is being approved, but sometimes they may not approve your article. Okay, so I have to tell you the truth. All right, but don't worry, you can actually use other websites that I'm about to review to you. So all you have to do is just to click this sidebar right here and then click write for us. So when you click write for us, you sign up and then get your email verified and you start writing articles for them. Just like I said, this platform is not 100% guaranteed that your articles will be approved. So if you are lucky, your articles will be approved. If you are not, then you try the next website, which I'm going to show you right now. And this website is called The Barefoot Writer. Okay, The Barefoot Writer. The good thing about this website is that they easily approve your articles as far as it is original and you are not using any copy content or something like that. You understand? So let me scroll down so that you can see how much they are paying. Now, as you can see, you can actually use so many words, like 600 to 800 words, 400 to 600 words, and also 400 to 600 words. That's three category of articles. We also have another one, 700 to 900 words as well. You can also use 700 to 900 words, 600 to 800 words. That's for clicking. So let me come over here and see. It says we pay 100 to 300 dollars for published articles with the fee depending on the assignment. Once published, we own all rights to the article. Okay, so what they do is that they gather articles from people. So when you write an original article and they review your article and notice that that article is okay for them, they pay you $100 to $200 depending on how unique your article is. So in this particular website, for you to get high payment, you have to make sure that your article is original, you're not copying anything from anyone, and also make sure that it suits their standards. Okay, so when you do this, guys, you are actually going to be paid. So all you have to do is just to come over to this sidebar, click it, and then click resources. So that's how you can actually start. Okay, that is how you can actually start on this platform. So if you want me to do a full tutorial on each of these platform, on how you can actually sign up, how you can actually write and all of that, please just go to the comment section and type Anthony please do a video. Okay, just type Anthony please do a video. I want to know how many people that are serious about this particular article. Okay, in case if you want to know how you can actually write this article with ChatGPT, rephrase them, and also share them on this platform and get approved, just go to the comment section and type Anthony I need a video. Okay, then I'm going to do a video on that. So thank you very much, guys. In case if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, try and share this video, and also like the video as well. So thank you very much.